me show you how the polynomial is a leading indicator. Well, simply put, when you have higher highs along with higher lows, that creates an uptrend. As soon as price breaks below that highest low, that's a tongue twister, the uptrend is over. Same is true for a downtrend. When you're making lower lows, at the same time, lower highs, that's a downtrend. And you follow each one of those lower highs as the trend goes down. Once price breaks above that last high, the downtrend is over. Here's the polynomial automatically printed on your chart. Let me zoom in. On the left-hand side, you can see that we are making lower highs, and right here would give us a trend reversal. But you can see the polynomial was a leading indicator, giving you this much more profit. Impulse wave uptrending, using the bottom of the lows as it goes higher. You wouldn't know that the reversal happened until here. The polynomial as a leading indicator told you to take your profits here, or enter a bearish trade all the way up here, allowing you to already be profitable before identifying the trend reversal. And again, price comes down. Polynomial gives you a signal before the trend breakout. Here's another. Let's zoom in. Higher lows. Polynomial says take profit or enter into a bearish trade. The candlesticks say here to take profit, reducing down your reward by almost 20%. What if after that point you got in a bearish trade here and instead it went up? Well, if you would have got in the trade here, there's a high probability you would have already made your profits by then. We see this over and over. You're in a downtrend as long as you're making lower highs, and so you would have had to wait all the way to over here before entering into the trade, when the polynomial showed you at these very low lows, even gave you a second entry, getting you in before the break above. Downtrend, making lower highs, and the polynomial and these highs were pretty close in comparison. Now for the uptrend, exit the trade, losing all of these profits, or getting into the trade lower very late. Higher low, and sometimes this makes it hard. Where exactly is the higher low? Is it this little one, or is it these, depending on how many candlesticks you figured? But the polynomial as a leading indicator had no problem showing you where it was going to reverse.